By the time coronavirus became a cause for global concern, schools in Uganda had already kicked off the first term of the 2020 academic year. Because schools attract a lot of people, many schools have been implementing the health ministry guidelines on how to prevent coronavirus.
And as a school, we decided right from a few weeks ago to have washing points. However, you may wash as you enter, but that's not enough. But in the washrooms, we have decided to put in a bit of soap.
We have deployed technical people in screening people with that virus.
But for some schools, this was not enough. Early this week, information started flooding social media on how some schools had cancelled visitation days due to coronavirus fears. But this move has been roundly condemned by the Ministry of Health.
I want to appeal to all those schools that are banning parents from going to school to withdraw those statements and remind the parents to visit the children as is scheduled according to the school rules and regulations.
Now, the Ministry of Health and the Ministry of Education have rolled out new health measures that schools can implement to further protect their learners and staff from coronavirus. Some of these measures include providing hand-washing facilities in the school compounds and outside toilets, reducing on overcrowding in classes and dormitories, frequently cleaning and disinfecting the school environment, discouraging spitting in public places, providing a separate facility for the sick to prevent infection, as well as encouraging learners with flu-like symptoms to stay at home until they fully recover.
Schools are supposed to adhere to the guidelines given to them by the ministry. So we are calling upon the head teachers, the heads of schools and institutions to adhere to the guidelines of prevention. Remember, we are not at the stage where we are responding to a disease.
Because co-curricular activities are a core element of the new curriculum, the ministry is also going to closely monitor all contact sports to ensure that learners are not exposed to the virus.
Sanitation hygiene must be paramount in order to minimize any possibilities of corona.
Head teachers have welcomed these guidelines.
And we are always ready to follow the guideline once we are told.
Joyce Nakato, NTV.